Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Maitu music boxing device with us. So we are going to have a detailed review of this product, talking about all of its features, performance, specs, pros and cons, while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Here we got the Maitu branding. We have got closed inside. Here is the picture of the product. And this is the fifth generation of intelligent music boxing machine. So you can expect some nice design, good quality product. So let's unbox it, try it, and let's see how good it is. So here is a pair of gloves. And here we got another one with Maitu branding, Maitu box. So we got two of them. Usually we get only one set. Here is a quick start guide and it shows all of the stuff we got inside the box here. So it says like, yeah, we got two of the boxing gloves. Here we got the Velcro strip. One of them you will have to put on the wall, and another one will go with the machine, and then it will put to the wall. And then there is a pouch, the buff and stuff here. So here we got the dismounter, I think. There is a USB Type-C cable. Here is the power adapter. And here we got the phone holder. And here is our Maitu music boxing machine. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Maitu music boxing machine. Machine itself, two pairs of gloves, a pair of Velcro strip, user manual, USB Type-C cable, power adapter, phone holder, and a dismounter. Let's take it out. So it comes with this nice matte finish. It is looking quite premium compared to rest of the music boxing machine available in the market. The build quality is really good and quite beautiful and premium. So here we got the buttons, volume up, volume down, previous and next song. These are the spots to punch the music boxing machine. Here we got the speakers, two of them pedal grills. We got microphones here as well. These are the LEDs, ring lights we got here in all of these strips. And here we got a USB Type-C port to charge it. You can see here we got the this nice part of the Velcro that goes with the Velcro strips we got. So you will have to place the Velcro strip on the wall, and then you will have to attach this machine with the Velcro strip, put this machine on your wall. Now if you have a look on these gloves here, so you got two kinds of gloves. One is with open palm, open finger, and this one is fully covering your hands. So let's try them one after one and let's see how good they are. So this part on the knuckle with the Maitu branding is quite strong, quite nice, very well padded to avoid any impact to your hand here. It's really good. This part as well here, it's padded on the lower finger part, so that's quite nice. So it does not matter whether you are going to punch from this part or this part, it's going to protect your fingers. But I'm concerned about this part because this is quite thin, and I'm afraid after a while it will start tearing. The stitches will be damaged. This part as well, it's not looking super strong here, but this part is really good. It's comfortable as well. Now this is the another one. It does not come with the Maitu branding, and it's going to fully cover your hand now. So let's try this one as well. So this one is looking a bit small for my hand. Yeah, this is a bit small, as you can see. It's putting pressure on this part here. It's good enough, but if it was a bit large, I would prefer it. It's fitting, but not that great. Slightly smaller, that's why enough fit. Maybe the sticking will tear for this as well here. But it's fully padded, nice quality pad in here, going to protect your hand from every angle. It's better than this one, I would say, because it's fully covering your finger, and the padding is also similar from top to bottom, so it's quite nice. Once again, this part is quite thin, so I'm afraid that it will tear after a while. I'm not sure how long it's going to survive, and the top is pretty nice. So now let's switch it on.
Hello, Maitu.
So we got this nice lighting effect here. As you can see, the LEDs are very bright. So it's looking pretty nice, as you can see here. And these punching points are soft. They are not very hard. So once you apply the force, it won't be damaged and won't hurt your hand as well. So it's looking quite nice here. It comes with this application as well that you will have to use to enjoy this music boxing machine perfectly. Once it is installed, just launch it, connect your music boxing machine. So you can see my device is detected. Let's connect it.
Bluetooth connect.
So this is the app we got. You can see we got plenty of options here. We got the practice mode, level mode, free boxing, sparring mode, music library. If you go here, you can see we got lots of tracks here that you can play on your device. Let's go with this. So yeah, it's changing with the tempo of the song track here, as you can see. We even have different categories for the music, like English, warm-up, pad burning. Based on that, you can play any of these based on your preference. And then the lighting will go accordingly, and then you can enjoy this boxing machine. Rest of the features, what we got here is the goal. You can define the goal here. We got the records, create. You can create your own punching session by selecting the music, giving the title, punching count, cover image and everything. So you can create your own workout. We got the check-in. You will get some points and go to the diamond level in checking. Once again, you can create your goal to work on that. We got the PK ranking, where you can compete with rest of the users of Maitu music boxing machine. And then we got the duration ranking. We got some of the tutorial videos here as well. If you go to more, you can see we got the unboxing tutorial, device installation, bandage usage, hook teaching, boxing basic teaching, and exercise videos are provided as well. We got 2 of them. So considering the activity involved, it's pretty feature rich. We got plenty of items here. We got the level mode based on your performance. We got the free boxing, once again, that you can do with the music. This is the sparring mode.
Welcome to the Maitu boxing lesson.
Here we got the voice mode.
Hit the lighted target. 2, 3. I bet the green light is on. 3, 4, 5.
So the sound is quite funny when you're punching it, and you have to punch it while the circle is green. So it didn't detect my punch here this time.
Great. You got the basics covered. So here's a little exercise.
And when you fail, it spawns different kind of sound for that. So that's quite nice. So this is quite strong as well. And as I said earlier, this is not too hard or harsh on your hands. So even though I'm not using the gloves, it's totally fine, as it is detecting my pressure perfectly, and it's not impacting my hands as well. So even though if I'm not using any gloves, I can still use this because it's not hurting my hand in any way. The speakers are quite loud. So on the higher volume, the speaker quality is getting distorted, as you can see here, as you can listen. It's good up to here. It's good up to here as well.
for infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its cards, if the hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart. You run into my arms, it's okay, don't be alarmed.
So it is quite loud when it comes to speaker output, but at the highest volume, audio quality is getting distorted, but it's loud enough so you do not need to play the music that loud. Of course, when you are punching the backs, it's pretty loud. Other than the songs on the app, you can also play your favorite music from your smartphone. So the audio quality is quite nice, it is loud enough.
Volume increase. Volume down. Volume increase. Volume increase.
So at the higher volume level, you can see the sound is getting a bit distorted. But since you are going to punch this machine standing next to it, you do not need to play music that loud. And a bit lower volume, the audio quality is really good.
Volume down. Volume down. Volume down.
So at this level, it's really good, nice audio quality, loud enough, good amount of bass and everything. So this is quite nice for sure. So if you're planning to buy a music boxing machine for yourself, then this Maitu music boxing machine is quite nice compared to many other music boxing machines available in the market right now. If you use any of the music that is available on the application, then the light will glow according to the beat. And when the Bluetooth is disconnected, you can still play music.
Previous song.
For all that it was rough, but lately I've been.
And exercise.
So this is quite nice that even though if you do not have your smartphone, you can still use the Maitu music boxing machine to play music and do some exercise. The build quality is nice and premium. It looks beautiful. The LEDs are really bright. The speaker quality is nice as well, but at higher volume, the audio gets distorted, but you don't need to play music that loud as I said earlier. The gloves we got are good, comfortable, but not looking too durable. And overall, it is looking a pretty solid option as a music boxing machine. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful,